Hey, welcome back. I'm meteorologist Julia Kwedi. We saw a couple passing showers, particularly for our inland neighborhoods earlier today. Now things pretty much drying out as we go throughout the remainder of our afternoon, now heading, of course, towards this evening. Now we are expecting, of course, more heavier beneficial bits of rainfall happening in the coastal bend as we look ahead towards your Halloween and beyond, heading towards your weekend. I'll break everything down on that front in just a few more moments. Right now, though, taking a look at our CCAC Skycam over Soupy's Pier, looking at all that gorgeous sunshine glazing on the coastal waters there. Seeing a couple more clouds passing throughout this afternoon. That's going to be due to that extra bit of moisture that's starting to push its way into the coastal bend thanks to those southeasterly winds that have also been a bit rough and pretty gusty as we've gone throughout our day on this Tuesday too. But speaking on those clouds, we can see that they're a little bit more passing through a little bit more heavier earlier this afternoon, seeing a little bit more breaks of that cloud cover as we head towards this evening, but we still be looking at least at some partly cloudy skies by the time we get into our evening hours. Now again, on the front of that rain, saw that passing through, particularly in our inland neighborhoods, passed by Alice, Beeville, and parts of Live Oaks County earlier this afternoon. Now things are looking, for the most part, to be pretty much on the drier side. Again, we're expecting, of course, more heavier periods of rainfall to be happening in the forecast by the time we get to your Halloween and beyond, heading towards this weekend. But before we get there, taking a look at our current temperatures and flight temperatures across the coastal bend, mostly again sitting up there into the mid 80s or getting to the upper 80s as we go further inland, sitting at 86 degrees here in Corpus Christi, 85 in Robstown, 87 over in Kingsville, and 86 degrees right now for the folks over in Alice. So still looking at a continuation of that trend of slightly above average temperatures for us. Of course, it's going to be kind of tied to that extra bit of moisture that's being pushed in thanks to those southeasterly winds that have been pretty abrasive for us as we've gone throughout our afternoon on this Tuesday. But thankfully today will be our most blustery, windiest day for this week. Things will start to slowly decrease in those wind speeds as we look ahead towards tomorrow on your Wednesday. But for now, still looking at our winds for the most part all across the coastal bend, at least going 15 miles an hour. But in majority, in most neighborhoods, we're seeing our winds clocking above 20 miles per hour for our sustained winds. Before our wind gusts, those are going above that, going to upwards of 30 miles per hour as we go throughout this afternoon. Things will thankfully start to calm down on the front of our wind gust speeds as we head towards this evening into tonight, seeing those finally dropping into the 20s, but still pretty abrasive wind speeds for us as we go throughout our day on this Tuesday. But taking a look at our big weather picture, along with that moisture that's pushing its way into the coastal bend, we also are going to have that cold front that's going to push its way through the majority of the Lone Star State, not making it too far down south to us here in South Texas. So we will not see a cool down in our temperatures, but interaction of that cold front and then, of course, becoming just a frontal boundary here in South Texas, along with that moisture, is going to increase our rain chances by the time we get to your Halloween. So we'll be looking at a pretty likely chance to see some scattered showers and thunderstorms, not only on Halloween, but extended to the weekend.